Hi everyone, Louise Camilleri here. I'd like to take a moment to show you exactly how to use my new packaging of the activated charcoal deodorant. Now, in this packaging, you might think that you would apply it, take off the cap and apply it directly to your underarms, but because it's not formulated with any waxes, it is a vegan product, no waxes, it's a much softer formulation, so you apply it with your fingers, and I'll show you just how you do that. You take off the cap and you just rub your fingers along the top and you get an amount of the product. You rub it between both your hands and you'd use this amount on your body, under your arms. So I'll just show you here on my forearm how you rub it in, and immediately the product goes in to the skin and turns into a lovely fine powder that's not sticky. It's already very much into a fine powder. And again, on the other side, you just rub it into your underarms. And that's it. And you're done. And you're protected all day long. Beautiful. No preservatives, no chemicals, no harsh waxes, no perfumes, just all natural ingredients in my new activated charcoal deodorant. So I hope you enjoy it.